Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our last chapter, that is 10th chapter, training and doping in sports. Today we will study about warming up. So, what is warming up, children? Warming up is, in general words, we can say that warming up is an activity which is done prior to any commencement of any hard or strenuous activity or any games and sports. That is, it is preliminary preparatory activity in which physiological and psychological preparation of athlete for the main activity is done. And we can say that warming up is the process of hitting the body muscles through certain exercises prior to the competition. In other words, it is a set of exercises and movements which are performed before the competition. By doing this, the body is prepared psychologically and physiologically to bear the stress of competition. It raises the body temperature slightly higher, because of which there are more accurate responses as neuromuscular coordination improves. It tones up the body muscles and mind for coming activity. Warming up, in simple words, is a pre-competition work. Now see the chart. This is warming up. Warming up is of two types, that is psychological warming up and physiological warming up. Psychological warming up is related to mind and physiological warming up is related to body. This psychological warming up, it prepares the mental attitude towards the competition. It makes player mentally ready through various psychological ways like motivation, feedback, behavioral changes, etc. By these ways, performance is increased. This is generally required in academic subjects where muscular responses are not required. Second one is physiological warming up. Physiological warming up prepares the body physiologically to take the workload of physical stress for the competition. Physiological warming up can be done through two ways. First one is passive, then second one is active. Passive is also known as external sources. It is done with the help of external sources, and active is done with the self-purpose. Passive means, in this, the player warms up his body through external sources, that is, not with actual participation in physical activities. It can be done through various ways like hot water bath, sauna bath, steam bath, and hot beverages, massages, etc. And in active warming up, the player warms his body through actual participation in physical activities. He performs various physical movements which improve efficiency of his body and tone up muscles for the competition. Its duration is 10 to 30 minutes. It is never performed all out. That is, person should not be tired while doing these activities. Okay. Now, this active warming up, that is self-performing, is divided again into two types. There is general warming up and specific warming up. General warming up is common for all the activities, and the specific warming up generally is done for a particular activity. That means general warming up is generally in nature, commonly performed for every activity in a similar way. It consists of simple exercises like jogging or slow running, stretching, rotation exercises, calisthenics, jumping, striding and wind sprints. This general warming up tones up the major muscles and improves the mobility of joints. It adjusts the circulatory and respiratory systems according to coming needs. Now, the specific warming up. Specific warming up is generally specific type in nature. It is different from activity to activity. It tones up the smaller muscles, and this smaller muscles as well as which is commonly used in that particular activity. It raises the mobility of smaller joints. This improves the eye and body coordination. By this, the perfection in skill is improved. It actually prepares the body physically and mentally.